Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Ishani here and I'm thrilled to be a guest at Waffle Flower's Christmas in July challenges. And I'm joining Arjita and Jennifer for a mini challenge starting today till 31st of July for iconic Christmas. And I have some quick and cute Christmas crafts using amazing Waffle Flower products. Let me show you how I made these. For my first project, I'm using the Nesting Christmas die by Waffle Flower, and I have taken the second largest Christmas tree die and cut out 3 trees out of it. I've taken a dark green pattern paper. You could use any pattern paper you may have or make some of your own. I take a scoring board to score my trees in the middle and then fold them. I do the same for all the other 2 trees and then I adhere them together with glue. After adhering all the trees, I get a 3D tree. Now try saying that again. 3D tree, 3D tree. Oh my god, that is a little tongue twister. And to hide the white edges, I take a dark green ink and sponge it at the sides. And here we have a 3D tree ready. Then I take a craft paper and cut out a tag using Waffle Flower's nesting tags dies. And then to make some snowy scene, I take a little white acrylic paint over an acetate and dilute it with water. And then I spray some snow all over my craft paper. Now with the tree and the snowy scene ready, let's plant a Christmas tree. I tear a copy paper and make 2 snow banks. And I love the way the texture comes while tearing the paper, and I adhere these on the bottom of my tag and adhere my Christmas tree with glue on my snowbanks. For the sentiment, I have taken Merry Christmas from the classic holiday sentiments by Waffle Flower. It has various kinds of fonts and will match any project that you are making. I stamp the sentiment with red ink on the snowbanks, and to finish off the tag, I add some baker's twine and bells with hot glue. And here's my first project, a 3D Christmas tree tag, and I have many more ideas which I'll just briefly show you how I used my Christmas tree dies for some other projects. Here I made an ornament by die cutting 4 Christmas trees from green colored cardstock, and just how I did my previous tag, I adhered them in the middle and added half pearls as ornaments of my Christmas tree ornament. Then I made the small gift box where I cut the lid with the smallest of the Christmas tree dies and added an acetate sheet behind it for intriguing the interest of the recipient. Carry on watching how I made the box, which you can customize to your required size very easily. I take a 7x7 square cardstock. I've taken a heavy cardstock. This is 280 GSM and I'm going to score at 5 inches. That means it will give me a height of 2 inches and a 3x3 size box. This will be the lower part of my box. And I reinforce my scored lines and cut at 2 scored lines on one side and just on the opposite side the other 2 scored lines like this. And then I take 2 sides, apply glue on them and tuck them inside the middle part and adhere. I do the same for the other side and hold it for a while. And here we have the bottom part of the box ready. For the lid of the box, I've taken a 6x6 inch paper and I score it at 1.4 inches. I burnish and cut and fold just like how we did the previous. And this way you have the lid of the box ready. I used Waffle Flower's small snowflake dies which I cut from silver glitter cardstock and adhered on my blue colored lid. And also for the tags, I've used the same classic holiday sentiment stamp set to add to my gift box. The other way I decorated my gift box was with holiday lights dies by Waffle Flowers. These are intricate dies and I don't want to fiddle with gluing them with glue, so I use a double-sided adhesive sheet. I glue it on one side of a glitter cardstock and then I arrange my dies over it and die cut them. This way I get my holiday lights cut in silver glitter cardstock. I have a white color lid which is going to be the lid of one of my boxes, but before I adhere the sides of this lid, I go ahead and adhere the silver die cut holiday lights. Then I cut some bulbs from yellow, green and red cardstock and adhere them on the silver areas of the holiday lights. And after the lights are done, I adhere the sides of the lid. And ta-da! We have another beautiful gift box ready in few minutes. I hope you're inspired to use these beautiful dies for not just your cards but also your other Christmas crafts. I hope you would subscribe to my channel for some more creative ideas to stretch your supplies. Thank you so much for watching. Also, please join us at the Waffle Flower Garden Challenges on the Facebook. The link to the group is down in the description box. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy crafting.